Hello, this is Dana, and this is your Land Pride Service Minute. Today we're going to show you how to install blade bolts on dish pans. Today we're working on an RC5020, the 20-foot cutter. We've tightened some of our tolerances up on our dish pans and our blade bolts. Some of these pans, the keyway in here, you notice it's tight, which is fine. If you put your blade on at the same time, you cannot see where they need to line up at. If that's the case, without the blade on, you can see that clearly. You take a hammer and tap it in. Pull it out, now you put your blade on, and now you know this thing is lining up just where you need it. If you don't get that lined up, you're gonna get it on wrong. Make sure this keyway lines up with the slot. This has been your Land Pride Service Minute.